Today we're going to change touch on 6500S Galaxy S6500. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. You need to open those screws. You need a Phillips star screwdriver. Still trying to get used to of this camera. So if you see the half picture, please pardon me. As these are out, 1, 2. Need a tweezer as well. Sometimes these screws can be funny. Once the screws are out, I usually use my nails. You can use a flat screwdriver, this kind of tool, or this as well, or guitar pick they call it. Put the customer name there with the sticker, so that sticker is now getting in our way to open the phone. Didn't leave any memory there. The back covers come off. Remove the LCD also from there, and then done once this before as well for the very same customer. She keep breaking it. This is the touch flexi. Once it is removed, remove the board also. There are few clips here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's holding the board together. From one side, if it comes off, it will be easy to remove it. Let's try removing it from here. There you go, the board is released. Don't need the board unless we are doing some physical repair there. Then the LCD turn comes. We actually don't need to remove the LCD. That's the home button, just keep it on the side. Okay. Just be careful that you don't damage the LCD. If it is getting hard to remove it, just heat up a bit with the heat gun. I'm gonna do that so we don't damage the LCD or anything. You can remove the LCD from the back also, 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. It's not that difficult, but because the touch is broken, so I'm not that much worried about it. If it comes even in pieces out, it's fine. Sorry for the interruption. So this is how it's gonna come out once you heat up a bit. There you go. Clean the screen if there is any dust or anything, and then we put a new one there. And this is a new one that I got. Remove that. It's better to check it before, but I bought it from the same supplier where I bought it last, so I trust him that this should work. Touch goes in. Don't forget to put the home button. Then goes the board in. Remember I showed you there were a few clips, so put this side and then here's the other clip. Both sets alright. Clip back the LCD, then the touch. Now goes the back cover on. Okay, forget something here, which is this steel plate. Usually they have screws, but this one is a bit different. This has to come over it, I believe, so I don't think so. It should go under it. Now over it, because then it can get short with these ICs. Back cover. First it should go from the charging pin side. Now I remember I fixed this phone first time for the charging pin, and then was a touch. Here we go, it's closed. Just a little bit of more for the clips. To test it, I don't think so that I got the battery, but I should have a new battery to test it. Once the screws are in, sorry for the interruption. I have mentioned before also that I do repair at my shop, so sometimes there are customers to buy stuff. Once it is closed, we can check it. If suppose you don't have the right size of the battery, you can try 5360. It won't fit proper though, but you can test it with it. We'll switch it on the phone. Let's see now that if it does work. S6500T Glaxy Mini 2 Touch replacement. On. Looks like working. Where's the dial pad? It's very slow to react, you know. Maybe it's because of the phone. But it seems that the touch is working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8. The phone is slow to respond. Maybe that's because of the data in there. So it is working. That's how you change the touch on S6500T, also called as Glaxy Mini 2. If you like it, please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.